Hello, my dear Radiesthesia enthusiasts. Today, I want to share with you one of my favorite graphs, luck and success. This graph was developed by the Servranks brothers, and its name already gives us a good idea of its purpose. The luck and success graph is traditionally used to maximize luck and success in different areas of life. It is also associated with supporting personal achievements, developing intuition, and increasing personal magnetism. But there is an important point here. When we hear the words luck and success, we often immediately think about money, career, business, getting a promotion, or succeeding in a job interview. This graph, however, is not limited to professional or financial matters. It can be applied to many different areas of life. For example, imagine that you are getting to know someone and you are hoping the relationship develops successfully. Maybe you are going on an important date, considering asking the person to be in a relationship with you or hoping the relationship progresses toward marriage. Luck and success can be used with that intention. Or imagine that you are waiting for a medical procedure and you are on a long waiting list. Your intention might be for circumstances to align favorably so that the procedure can happen sooner. The graph can also be incorporated into a treatment focused on that situation. So when we say luck and success, think beyond financial success. It can be used for relationships, career, studies, business, personal goals, and many other circumstances. Luck works together with action. Another important characteristic attributed to this graph is that it supports accomplishment, and accomplishment requires action. You are not supposed to sit comfortably on the couch waiting for the luck and success graph to do everything for you, okay? That is not how this works. The graph is used to support and strengthen your intention, but you still need to participate in the process. If you want professional success, you still need to work. If you want to pass an exam, you still need to study. If you want more clients, you still need to take actions that allow those clients to find you, like promoting your business, for example. There is a saying that fits this graph very well. Luck needs to find you working. The purpose of the graph is to maximize favorable conditions around what you are already trying to accomplish. Keep that in mind, okay? Intuition and mental clarity. Luck and success is also traditionally associated with developing intuition and mental clarity. And this is particularly useful because success is not only about favorable circumstances, it is also about recognizing those opportunities when they appear. Sometimes an opportunity is already in front of us, but if we are blocked for some reason, we just do not recognize it. Developing intuition can help you perceive opportunities, make better decisions, find solutions, and understand which direction may be more beneficial. For example, imagine that your husband wants to pass the bar exam. You could create a treatment using the luck and success geometry with that objective. The intention of the setup would not simply be to bring him good luck on the day of the examination. The setup could also support the qualities involved in achieving that result: concentration, mental clarity, good decisions, effective studying, and the intuition to recognize what deserves more attention during his preparation. The same principle could apply to a job interview. Rather than expecting the graph to magically produce a job offer, you could use it to support the entire job search process. Preparing well, communicating clearly, recognizing the best offers, making good decisions, and creating favorable circumstances around the interview. If you are using this graph for this purpose, you may even begin to notice signs guiding you toward a particular company, one that you might not initially consider the best option, but where the most favorable opportunity may actually be waiting for you. You know, sometimes the difference between being hired and not being hired can come down to something as simple as the interviewer's mood that day. Let luck work in your favor so that you meet the right person at the right time, under the best possible circumstances. Personal magnetism. Another characteristic traditionally associated with the luck and success geometry is increased personal magnetism. In Radiesthesia and esoteric traditions, personal magnetism is often connected with the energetic field surrounding a person and their ability to attract circumstances, opportunities, people and experiences that correspond with their intention. You can think of it metaphorically as becoming more magnetic toward the result you are trying to create. This graph will promote serendipitous events around the witness's intent. A practical example. Let's imagine that your goal is to earn $10,000 per month with Instagram. Assuming you already have planned to make this possible, you could create your witness. Then you would create a clear command, such as earn $10,000 per month with Instagram. If you don't know how to create a witness or a command, watch the videos linked in the description. After preparing the witness and command, place them on the luck and success graph. Douse if you should add a crystal, then douse the amount of time the setup needs to work. What is the intention behind this treatment? First, to increase your personal magnetism so that you can attract the right audience, ideas, clients, collaborations, opportunities, or circumstances that can contribute to that financial goal. Second, to strengthen your intuition and mental clarity. This can help you recognize what actions may move you closer to the result you want. You may begin asking better questions. What type of content should I create? What does my audience actually want? What should I stop doing? Where should I focus my attention? Perhaps an idea appears that you had never considered before. Maybe you recognize a new way to monetize your audience, create a product, offer a service, collaborate with someone, or change your content strategy. That is where intuition becomes particularly relevant. But remember, the graph does not replace your action. If your goal is to earn $10,000 per month with Instagram, you still need to create content, develop your strategy, test ideas, and take advantage of the opportunities that appear. Luck needs to find you working. Of course, this is just one example. You can use the luck and success graph for financial matters, relationships, health, competitions, travel, personal development, and many other goals. Here are a few commands from different areas of life that you can use with this graph. Find the best accountant for my business. Win the spelling bee competition. Be accepted into a graduate program at Harvard University. Find an affordable ticket to Costa Rica next May. Find effective ways to lose 10 pounds. Make a new, trustworthy friend. This versatility is one of the main reasons I find the luck and success graph so useful. It can be applied to virtually any area of life where you are actively working toward a favorable outcome. And that's it, dear audience. If you have any questions about this geometry, let me know in the comments. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.